G'day everyone, welcome to Mudabung Aussie. Well, today we're doing a real classic dish here, especially here in Western Australia, creamy garlic prawns. It's been around for over 40 years, still on menus today, served as an entree, or a lot of times also with surf and turf with the grilled steak of your choice with the creamy garlic prawns on top. Surf and turf, can't beat that. So here we get, it's a nice simple dish, exactly how majority of restaurants do cook this dish. So let's go by the step-by-step guide of how to do the creamy garlic prawns. G'day everyone, welcome back. It was a simple step-by-step process of the old creamy garlic prawns. So the prawns have got their ex-mouth, so fresh. Just make sure you devein them. Just take the poop shoot out, lightly dust them with flour. You've got finely diced onion, garlic, pan fry that in a bit of butter. Add your slightly dusted prawns. Toss them around for a minute or two, then add half a cup of white wine. Now with the white wine, I suggest just don't use any white wine. Use a wine that you would drink with your dinner table. The better the wine, the better the outcome of the dish. And you'll see with the flour, it'll slightly start to thicken it. Add your cream, reduce it down, check your seasoning, salt and pepper, and serve it up. Just serve it up with some rice, but this is 95% of the restaurants probably do garlic prawns similar to this. In the restaurants I worked in, this is how we used to do it. So let's give it a taste test. Oh, lovely and rich. Moorish this would be. Easy to eat these in one gulp. Yeah, you got just the right amount of seasoning. Like I say, it is rich because of the cream. But you can taste the onion, plenty of garlic in there. Keep the vampire's eye. And I said this has been around for years in Western Australia. Some restaurants been around for 40 years, have not taken this dish off. And they're also very popular, like with your surf and turf. Unless you ordered your sirloin or your rump, whatever you like it, and then a portion of the creamy garlic prawns on the top. It's a great dish. Give it a try. And see you for the next video. Please hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below. Thank you very much.